friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm making spaghetti for my family. I've got ground beef. I wanted to show you how to use the mix and chop from Pampered Chef in case you chose to order it. This is one of the lower priced items. I want to say it was $15, something like that, which is pretty cheap. There's also a cheaper, lower quality version at Dollar General, but honestly that one will probably break easily. So this one's the nicer version. It's called the Mix and Chop. I think it's $15. Right now during the pandemic, if you order something from Pampered Chef, it may take a month and a half to arrive, but you know, worth it. So this really is nice because it helps break up your meat, and you can also do this. Okay, I probably should do it this way. I'm new to using this. So it helps break it up. You could also use this when cooking beans or something. A lot of times it's nice to mash up the beans. You could use this for mashed potatoes. Anything you just want to break up and mash, but really good tool for, especially for ground beef when you're cooking ground beef. So if you have a friend who's having a Facebook party and you want to support them, you know, for Pampered Chef, but you don't have a lot of money and you want to get, you know, something nice but not too expensive, this is a good option, you know. And my sweet friend Mindy Danforth bought this. Oh, this is massive and it's heavy and it's high quality. This is a rolling pin. I didn't have my own rolling pin. And she got me a stand to set it on. And also, my children have the kids version, which is a wooden one, which is real cute. They use it for Play-Doh, but it came with a set for, you know, for making little pizzas. It's a kid's set, so that's the difference in size between those two rolling pins. So it's real sweet. If I want to make cookies with my kids or pizza, they have their own rolling pin. They also use it for playing with Play-Doh. These are these toaster tongs. These are like $5, $8, I don't remember, but they're real cheap. And not only do I love them and use them for the toaster and for other situations where you want to grab something small and hot, you know, I actually love it so much that I ordered one for my friend Danny for her to try. So yeah, so nice. It's so nice to just cook for your family, you know, some high quality, yummy food.